Well, here's my little blade, Mcpx BL. Little heli. I did all the Micro Heli metal upgrades on it. Swash plate, all that kind of stuff. Also did the carbon fiber frame. You can see it very well, but there's carbon fiber frame in here. It's got a one-way auto rotation gear and bearing assembly in it, and metal tail motor mount. And then of course I put green blades on it so Astra can see it better. So anyway, we're going to do the maiden on it since I did all the Micro Heli upgrades on it.
Like $10 million gazillion dollars in it.
Basically just spooled it up, holding it in my hand last night to make sure that it spooled up anyway. So anyway, now we're going to fly it. See how she does.
Hard to keep track of.
Tell you what though, it feels a lot more solid. Yep. Sure does. And green blades are easy to see too. Except at certain times.
In front of the tree. You know, usually you fly in front of the tree, you lose it. I can still see it. They're the ones that see through your heli.
Well, let's see if it goes inverted.
Oh, it does. Ooh, great save, man. Right over the head, that's a hard one to catch. There's Don up there.
Yeah, it feels more solid, and notice the tail hasn't been wagging at all.
Well, you didn't make any adjustments on the gyro gain or anything, did you?
Nope.
You just put the upgrades on and that was
Just
it.
did the upgrades. Oh!
Oh, it nicked off the ground.
Touch and go, man. I can't believe that did that.
Better stay close to Donner when you get.
Get in the shade, man. Freaking sun is killing me.
There we go. Hard to shade. Now you have to learn how to flip it all over again, huh? Well, you've got it inverted.
Hey, where's throttle hold at? So I didn't have my finger where throttle hold is normally at. Yeah, we're gonna.
Tail blade.
Yep, tail blade.
That was a hard hit.
It was a real hard hit.
That was a stock. The boom would have been broken.
Oh, I broke a ball link. Oh no, it just popped off.
Popped off.
Off the servo.
That was a really hard hit.
Let's see here.
Full throttle right into the chair.
Yeah, because now I've got my hand moved off my throttle hold switch.
Yeah, you couldn't hit it.
So I had to physically move my hand.
Sitting there doing the chicken dance on the ground.
Let's see if it flies again.
Self-destructive chicken dance.
Yeah, my blade grips or blade Blades are loose.
Let's see. Your tail's crooked, just bit. Tweak your tail.
Yeah, a little bit.
But it's not broken. I think your tail's causing you the vibration from that blade.
I was trying to land, honestly. Yeah. Well, here, let White got it here.